So today we're gonna replace a water pump on a Detroit engine. This is a Freightliner Cascadia, and the reason why we're changing it is because there's some coolant leak underneath the water pump. As you can see, I removed this intake hose. We're gonna remove the belt, and then after that we're gonna loosen up 9 bolts from the water pump. After you remove the belt, we're gonna remove this 3 bolts to disconnect the sensor. After you remove the sensor harness, we're gonna remove all the bolts that are holding in place the water pump. It has 9 bolts, and then after that we're gonna pull it out. Pump is already out, so it's right here, but we still have to remove this pulley because the new one doesn't have it, so we have to use the old one, and you're doing it by removing this 6 bolts using I think it's a D47, and yeah, once you get the new one, put this pulley back in there, put the new gasket, make sure you clean this area really good, and make sure it's dry. Put the new gasket on the new one, put the pulley, and install it back together, and put the coolant back, and hopefully that can help you if you're watching. Thank you. So new pump is already installed, and I put the old pulley from the old pump because it doesn't come with it. Connect all the harness, put the belt back. After this process, I'm gonna put some the new coolant on it, and then start it up, run it, and hopefully this can help you, and thank you for watching.